I'm Rob Moody, and we're here at the NEC showcase, and you're in the bit of the showcase that is powered by Matrox. We're in a cinema environment here, so we've got lots of projectors in the cinema environment. We are streaming to those projectors. On the left, there's a 4K projector, and above that 4K projector, you can see a little black box in the gantry, and that is receiving a stream which has been decoded to a 4K HDMI, which is going into the projector. There's a similar streaming box going to the HD projector as well. We're also streaming to the main LED wall where Gary has just been presenting. So that's a full HD wall that we're streaming to there. So the streaming itself obviously implies a network and an encoder, and everything we're speaking about here is happening on a 1 gig network, a standard legacy network, and it's coming from the little box that you're going to be looking at now. That's the Matrox Mavex 6150 encoder. That can take 4 4K inputs. It's capable of encoding up to 444 quality, 4K 60, 10-bit. This is a really powerful encoder. As you can see, it's got buttons on the front for manual intervention, as well as being controlled via an API, either by Matrox software or something you've created yourself via our API, maybe from a Crestron or an AMX. So that's a powerful device. The content is coming from a variety of different PCs that are acting as players. And what we've got, so you're looking at there, is the receiver end of a KVM, which is using that same network that all the streams were going on. So this is happening over a 1 gig network as well. So that's capable of driving either a single 4K 60 or 4 full HD 60s at the high quality that we mentioned. So obviously, it's important on a network that you're using low bandwidth. You don't want to overload the bandwidth, and we're using maybe around about 100 megs for that 4K 60 stream that we're talking about. That's supporting this images that we're looking at here. So as a system, this has integrated 3 distinct elements from the Matrox range. We've got the IP-based KVM, fast switching, good image quality, good color depth. And it's integrated the streaming product, and in the middle of it we've got an aggregating station, which is a wall controller really, and it's that's allowing us to change the content on the screen. So we're able to go between here, where at the moment there's a bit of an NEC content that's looking at the main wall, but here we've got an HDMI input that you can see there. We can just drag that across, and now we've got the camera that was looking at the point where Gary would have been, and the main wall is now full of the camera, which was used during the presentation. Looking at the streaming point of view, we can see here that I've got an overview position of the health of the different devices, so I can click and open that the device there, and we start to get the information that's relevant to the various products that we're looking at. In terms of switching with the KVM, we simply open our KVM, and now we can see that I've got a couple of PCs there I can choose between, and switching between one PC and another PC is as simple as switching like that. And now we're looking at another PC. So there we have the integrated system that looks a bit like an AV desk, and we've done it so well that people thought this actually was the AV desk and not an exhibit in the showcase. But it is. It's from Matrox Graphics, and if you'd like to know more, go to www.matrox.com/graphics, and the products you've been looking at are Mavex, Mura, and XDO KVM. Thanks very much. I'm Rob.